Okay, we're going to eat the ghost pepper.
It's the hottest pepper in the world. It's 3 times hotter than a habanero pepper, so we heard.
Ready?
And this is part 2. Me and Dakota just ate one, so. Cody ain't ate one yet. But he's already starting to cry. He's going to go get something to drink. And Dakota's we already know he's already wants something.
No, that is hot.
It's hot, ain't it? It's good though, ain't it? You feel like rust in your body?
Yes, I do. Everything's burning.
Every time you swallow, you feel that heat just goes right down your throat. You see Dakota's already crying again. And Cody, you can see tears in Cody's eyes.
Every time you breathe, it's hot.
And can you talk? Can you breathe? Can you breathe?
Yeah.
Take a look, Dakota getting something to drink back there hiding.
Dakota ain't. I think I've ever tried.
It's hot, ain't it? It's good though, ain't it?
Good.
My mouth is watering.
Heat.
It's good. What kind of flavors it got? It's hot.
Heat.
Oh, that milk tastes so good.
You ain't supposed to drink.
Oh my god.
It's really hot here.
It just keeps getting hotter.
Dakota's going like that.
My mouth is on fire.
Dakota's going.
My tongue burns.
Is it numb?
Yeah.
If you bite it, you can.
Oh. Where did Kelly go?
I think you guys should stop recording it now.
Why, bite your tongue.
No.
They're the ones that see everything.
Look at me and Cody
I know
got
what
a
to do.
picture.
Well, stop it.